everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our podcast. I'm Ella.
And I'm Daniel. Today we're talking about one of the most incredible things that exists, the human body.
We all live inside a human body, but most people don't realize how amazing it really is. Every second, millions of processes are happening inside us without us even noticing.
That's what makes it so fascinating. We breathe, think, walk, and talk, and our hearts keep beating without us having to think about it.
So today, we're going on a journey through the human body and discovering some surprising facts.
Let's start with one of the most important organs, the heart.
The heart is actually a very powerful muscle. Its job is to pump blood to every part of the body.
How many times does the heart beat in a single day?
For the average person, about 100,000 times every day.
100,000? That's incredible.
It really is. Over an entire lifetime, the human heart can beat more than 2 billion times.
Now let's move on to the brain.
The brain is the control center of the body. It controls our thoughts, memories, emotions, decisions, and even our movements.
How much information can the brain process?
It's difficult to measure exactly, but we know the human brain contains about 86 billion nerve cells, called neurons. They communicate with each other every second.
Does the brain keep working while we sleep?
Absolutely. During sleep, the brain continues to process information, strengthen memories, and even create dreams.
Let's talk about our skeleton.
An adult human body has 206 bones.
It's amazing that bones do much more than simply support our bodies.
That's right. They protect important organs like the brain, the heart, and the lungs. Inside some bones is the bone marrow, where the body constantly produces new blood cells.
What about our muscles?
The human body has more than 600 muscles. They allow us to walk, run, smile, and even blink.
So even when I smile, I'm using muscles?
Exactly. Almost every facial expression is created by different muscles working together.
There's another organ that people often forget about, the skin.
And it's actually the largest organ in the human body.
What does it do?
It protects the body from germs, helps control body temperature, and allows us to feel heat, cold, pressure, and pain.
Let's talk about the kidneys. What exactly do they do?
Most people have 2 kidneys. Their main job is to filter the blood and remove waste products and extra water from the body.
So they're like the body's filtration system?
Exactly. They also help maintain the right balance of water, minerals, and salts, which is essential for the body to function properly.
It's amazing that they work all the time, even while we're asleep.
That's right. Every single day, the kidneys filter huge amounts of blood to keep the body clean and balanced.
Now let's move on to the liver. I've heard it's one of the hardest working organs in the body.
That's true. The liver is the largest internal organ, and it performs hundreds of different functions.
Like what?
It removes harmful substances from the blood, produces bile to help digest food, stores energy for later use, and makes important proteins and other substances that the body needs.
So the liver doesn't just have one job.
Exactly. It works around the clock, and we simply couldn't live without it.
I've always wondered something. Why do we dream?
The truth is, scientists still don't know the complete answer. There are several different theories.
For example,
Some researchers believe dreams help the brain organize memories and experiences. Others think dreams help us process emotions or prepare for future situations.
so even with all our modern technology, there are still things we don't fully understand.
Exactly. The human body still holds many mysteries.
Another thing that surprises me is that our bodies are constantly changing.
That's right. Many cells die every day and are replaced by new ones. The body is constantly repairing and renewing itself.
So even while we're sitting here recording this podcast, our bodies are hard at work?
Exactly. Millions of cells are active every second, Your heart is pumping blood, your lungs are bringing in oxygen, and your brain is processing every word we say.
The more we learn about the human body, the more incredible it becomes.
And there is still so much we don't know. Every year, scientists discover new things about how our bodies work.
Now, we'd like to ask you a question.
Which fact about the human body surprised you the most?
Let us know in the comments.
Thank you for listening to today's episode.
We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.